Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you how to install OS from a bootable USB drive in VirtualBox. Plug any USB drive in your system. Go to search bar and type cmd. Open cmd, run as administrator. Type the command that displays on the screen, then enter in keyboard. Windows associate a number to each disk they can access. This number is needed to use in a subsequent command. Right-click on Start menu, open Disk Management. Note the disk number associated with your USB drive, disk number is 1 here. Type the command that displays on the screen. The virtual disk path is specified after the file name, change where you like. One I give at the end of the physical drive is the disk number. Enter in keyboard. Now showing replay that, raw host disk access VMDK file created successfully. Close CMD. Virtual disk has been created. To be able to use raw devices as virtual disk, VirtualBox needs to run with administrator privileges. Click the search, type VirtualBox, and run as administrator. Create new virtual machine by click on New, then follow the screen. After that, select newly created virtual machine, click on Settings, then select the storage. You can see the .vdi virtual hard under the controller, SATA. You can see the SATA port right side on the window, change port 0 to next available port. Click on Controller, on the Controller tab you can see the two icons, Adds Optical Drive and Adds Hard Disk, click on Hard Disk. Click Add button in the pop-up window, browse file you created VMDK file. Then select VMDK file, click on Choose, it will be port 0. Again open Settings. Go to System, change the boot order to a hard disk as the first boot device. Start virtual machine. It will boot with connected USB drive. In this figure, when selecting a hard disk, be sure to look up the last unformatted disk. After the first restart, close the virtual machine. Go to Settings, then Storage. Change port VMDK disk 0 to any available port. Then VDI disk to 0. The Start Again virtual machine to continue installation. Thanks for watching my videos, subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.